Express yourself, don't repress yourself. 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 And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sure, bitch, don't hang your shit on me. You wouldn't let me say the words I long to say. You didn't want to see life through my eyes. You tried to show me back inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and lies.
You're saying something wrong.
Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about sex. What was I thinking? I didn't know I couldn't speak my mind. I must have been crazy. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sure, bitch, don't hang your shit on me. You punish me for telling you my fantasies. I'm breaking all the rules I didn't make. You took my world and made a trap for silly fools. You held me down and tried to make me break.
You're saying something true.
Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about sex. What was I thinking? I didn't know I couldn't speak my mind. I must have been crazy. And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sure, bitch, don't hang your shit on me. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. 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 Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
I'm not sorry. It's human nature.
Livrem-se da culpa.
I'm not sorry. It's human nature.
And I'm not sorry. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sure, bitch, don't hang your shit on me. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. 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 Express yourself, don't repress yourself.